Hey kid,
We just got here and we are ready para sa aming boodle fight. Introducing San Miguelite and Red Horse. Yes guys, patikim natin sila ng ating beer Pinoy na Pinoy. Time! Cheers! There we go. Nah, that would be enough for now.
Yes, thank you. Thank you.
Get ready to rumble.
So good, I didn't take a photo. Then the whole... Yeah, then the whole
Yeah, it
thing.
looks nice. It's just the ball players.
Yeah, that's it.
I can see now they're enjoying the food while chit-chatting, especially the two Aussie guys because it's their first time na mag-boodle fight at matry talaga ang different types of Filipino food. Si Colin, it's not new to him because he's been to the Philippines many times. As a matter of fact, he cooks pancit, adobo, and pinakbet dito sa bahay. So ayan, they're enjoying. Yan si Jake na gusto-gusto ang buttered prawns. At si Colin naman na gusto-gusto ang lahat. At si Jacob naman, gusto-gusto niya ang pork belly. Sabi niya, ang sarap sila. Jacob, what do you think about the boodle fight?
Oh, beautiful. I love Filipino culture. Like and subscribe.
Which one is your favorite?
Pork knuckle.
The pork knuckles? I don't have pork knuckles.
Oh, what's this?
We've got the pork belly.
Yeah, pork belly.
Right. Jay, what do you think about the idea of boodle fight?
What?
The idea of having boodle fight. It's your first time, right?
I eat with my hands anyway, so I love it.
I look at Colin there. Boo.
The best. Best way to eat.
Yeah, it's hella time.
Yeah, it's a sport.
This is Colin's birthday dinner, kaya hindi natin pinalagpas na maghalo-halo because it's his favorite Pinoy dessert. At hindi natin pinalagpas din ang dalawang Australians na makatikim ng ating halo-halo.